Think about this.
Hi everyone.
Coffee!
Excuse me while I fanny about with this camera. Welcome back to another episode of Car Mad Dad. You join me on the way to Midlands Car Care to see Russ and the team there with regards to getting some goodies put on the car. A front end PPF ready for the Petrol Heads tour in Scotland, which is just a couple of weeks away now. Ceramic coating and a few other goodies put on the car. So yeah, let's go and see him. Hi everyone, welcome back to Car Mad Dad. You join me on a Saturday morning. We're getting kids out of the house like herding sheep, and we're off to Russ and Claire at Midlands Car Care in Warsaw to go and pick up the M2. She's been away for about 2 weeks now. Carry on waffling at the camera. So let's get to Midlands Car Care. I'll check in with you back there. Cheers. Welcome back to Car Mad Dad. You join me here at Midlands Car Care. Russ and Claire have been working hard on the M2. Let's go see what they've been up to. Okay, we're not going to do silly accents.
Not mate.
That's your show.
Buffed it out and...
I've buffed it out, eh? Right, you join us where all the action happens. I'm here with Russ from Midlands Car Care. He's going to give us a walk around the car, show us what him and Claire have been up to. Claire's in the background, she does all the hard work. She's there. Russ is going to show us what Claire's been up to, because I'm not entirely convinced he does a lot of work, truthfully. He's going to walk us through what he's done on the car.
The first thing we did, obviously washed it and decontaminated the paintwork to get everything completely clean. Next, we did a two-step polishing process. So basically what that's doing is getting any swirl marks or defects out of the paintwork before we apply any protection. We installed self-healing paint protection film to the full bonnet, the full wings, the bumper, headlights, the wing mirrors, the A-pillars, the leading edge of the roof, and then we also replaced the OE PPF, which is just on the rear quarter.
Yeah, you can see that, and that's a standard thing that comes on an M car, isn't it? The one that they put in from the factory.
Correct.
And
It's quite orange peely and thick in appearance. Our film's a lot thinner, same level of protection, so
it looks loads better.
Exactly.
Yeah, it looks
so everything PPF wise is cut in house on our graphic plotter. All the patterns are here. So this is the Suntech TrueCut software. Okay, we've also fitted Ghost Immobiliser. Effectively, it stops you being able to take the car with the key. So you have to enter a PIN code when you first get into the car, and without that PIN code, the car's not going anywhere. Finally, the rest of the car that hasn't got paint protection film, we've installed our 5-year warranted Geon certified detailer only Duraflex coating. So it's a 2-part coating. Base goes down first, topped with Flexi, which is a hydrophobic top coat. The wheels have a dedicated coating, so we've used Geon Rib, which has gone on the wheels on the front and the back, and then we've used G-Technic G1 on all of the exterior glass. It will help stop the glass freezing and also provide a hydrophobic effect on the glass, so you'll find that you won't have to use your wipers once you hit 30-40 miles an hour.
I've buffed it out, eh? Right, so you join me back in the M2, but just a quick thank you really, and an explanation as to how I came across Midlands Car Care. I put out a Facebook post if they knew sort of a good local detailing company. Midlands Car Care came up on a few separate occasions, so I decided to get in touch. When I did, they were fantastic at sort of coming back to me, communicating. Their quote was mega competitive. I'm off on a Petrol Heads tour to Scotland. I'm on a couple of track days booked, so the car's just got that little bit more protection on the paintwork so that it won't come back looking like it's done about 150,000 motorway miles, all being well. So Russ and Claire have been fantastic in sort of looking after me. I arranged to go see them about 3 months in advance before I could really get the car to them. So they were very good at accommodating me. They sort of put everything in the diary. We agreed what we would do, how we would do it. They've also accommodated putting a Ghost Immobiliser in the car. So they organised all of that for me. The cost was no different to going anywhere else. Absolutely everything has been top quality. Russ has been sending me regular updates with how they're getting on with the car. I think what you want from something like a guy who's going to detail your car is you want him to be a perfectionist, and that's what Russ and Claire are. If there's a minor imperfection, they're just not happy with it. So communication's been very clear. They've been really easy to deal with. I've been fortunate that I can be quite flexible. I don't need this car on a daily basis. The car was there slightly longer than we had originally planned. I was struggling because work's taking up quite a lot of my time, so that was spot on, and I know it helped Russ out a bit. So yeah, real top couple. Highly recommend the work they've done. They're back for sort of a checkup once I've done my trip, which is sort of all in. I'll give it a bit of a wash and just check all the PPF's not defecting or anything like that at all. The experience has been absolutely top on, and I will stress they are super competitive. I did some real shopping around with regards to where I would go, and that, you know, there were a few things that factored in. You know, there was location, when they could fit me in, cost, how they dealt with me. I ended up with Midlands Car Care, and I haven't been disappointed. They've been really good at accommodating me and what I've asked for. I've answered all the questions that I had for them. I've really enjoyed sort of getting to know Russ a bit as well. He's a good guy. A bit shy in front of the camera, so go easy on him. It's all new, but I'm hoping that this will sort of coax them into doing a bit more on something like YouTube, because the work they do is amazing, and I think they should be shouting about it because it's really, really good. This car, Long Beach Blue, it's one of those colours that I think looks different in different lights. It is the most popular colour in the M2, make no bones about it, but I think there's a very good reason for that. Since it's had the paint correction, it looks like on a whole new scale. A huge thank you to Russ, Claire, Midlands Car Care, and to you guys for tuning in. If you have enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe. We're starting to get a bit of momentum now, and I'm really enjoying engaging with the people who are getting in touch. I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Take it easy. Okay, so I'm going to do my best to try and walk you through the Ghost Immobiliser while it's in demo mode before I sort of do all the setup. So normally if you start the car, you would press the start button. I'll get my pings, dings and everything else, and then I'll put my foot on, go to press start, and the car has started. Okay, so the car will start up. I'll leave that to run for just a minute. If I engage reverse, completely shuts down. Okay, so I can't go anywhere. Start button doesn't work. Okay, it's having none of it. Alright, so if I shut the car down, okay, I'm going to do that again, but this time with the code. So, I'm going to let it have a moment, and then it's plus, minus, and the indicator should flash twice. There you go, and now she should start. And that is the Ghost Immobiliser. Whoop, whoop.